Hi Java riders. So I know most of us hate the look of a backrest and we want to use it only when we need it. But unfortunately most of the backrests are fixed. So here we are launching a very innovative product for Java 42 and for the Java Classic where you can remove the backrest whenever you want. So right now, and you can also choose a high or a stout. So this is a tall seat. So for a tall seat, we have done a tall one, and there's another one which is a stout one for a stock seat. So you can choose whichever one you want. I'll show you how easy it is to just remove the backrest. These are the safety knobs, so you can remove the safety knobs and then open the latches all the way here, and off comes your backrest. Right, so now you have the look of the bike that you always liked, which is the sloping down look. And when you have a pillion riding with you, and that's the plan, you just put the backrest back. So as you just saw, I put the backrest back, and then you can put the knobs here, which are the safety knobs. And the product is, we always have the fear of theft, right? If it is so easy to remove it, somebody can take it off. So you can always remove one knob from one side, either RHS or LHS, and place a small lock here. You can put, as opposed to the knob, you can put a lock, a number combination lock or something. Now once it is locked, it doesn't go anywhere, right? And this knob holds it in position, and there are two bushes which hold it in position. Other functionality of this is that it comes with a slotted plate, right? So what I mean by a slotted plate is, like here we have put a seat, stock seat is still here. We have got a long seat. So this backrest, you can move it front and back on this rail, getting so that you can utilize the full seat. Right now it's not all the way back, it can come back further by 1 inch, and the backrest can be moved all the way forward by almost about 2 inches. So hope you guys like it. Thank you.